French fries. I'm so hungry, but we're at the arcade now at Mardi Gras Fun Center, and we're playing at the arcade. Let's go.
Cari, what's going on?
If it don't involve money, then I don't accept.
Playing some arcade games. Nice. That's awesome. Playing some arcade games here at Daytona. Cari's bowling. Go, Cari! What do you got? What do you got? Go, Kyria! Get that ball in that net. Come on. Come on, Kyria. Let's go, Aliza. Deal or no deal? Did you do deal?
Yeah.
Why?
Because it kept on going lower.
No deal, no deal. You never do deal. Oh yeah.
If it don't involve money, then I don't accept.
Oh, that stinks. You're gonna get like 7 tickets.
Alright, so who had fun at the arcade? Woo! Okay, okay? Okay? You had so much fun. Alright, so I got a squishy. And I got this. I got a squishy with smiley faces in it. What did you get? A tree and then a ring. A ring? Auggie, what did you get? Look what I found! Oh, you got a ball and then you got the same squishy as me.
And then I got a mint that I ate.
Yeah, I ate the mint already too. RJ, what did you get? I had a mint, a back scratcher, mini cards.
Oh, we can't forget one thing too. I got tape.
Okay. And there's this guy's finger puppet. And the back scratcher says Daytona Beach on it. I don't care if the back scratcher. Cari, what did you get?
I got a fancy mint.
And what does it look like? Oh wow, that's pretty.
And then that is pink.
Cara, what did you get from the arcade? You got a keychain, a bracelet, and a mint that you already ate. Almost everyone got a mint that they already ate. Whoa, that's a lot of taffies.
Look how slippery this is. Look. Look, watch.
No, don't drop it.
Whoa, whoa. It's all sandy. Oh my God.
Brush it off, brush it off, brush it off.
Angel, you're in big trouble. Go back in the back, now.
What's up, guys? Where are we hanging out? Oh, look at that beautiful fan.
Look what I got. Why is it called
That's
a
interesting.
boardwalk if it's not even made out of board?
The world's most famous beach.
That's right.
Yes.
RJ's got a back scratcher.
That says Daytona.
Hey, beautiful.
Hey.
Remember when this was a board, like actual wood? We got rid of it.
We got Starbucks.
Starbucks coffee is flowing with frappuccino, man.
They're already heading.